Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot, and I'm the Bluebeam Professional Services Director with U Chapter 2. And I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services, empowering you to get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. So first, let's look at our snagging list drawing that we were looking at last week. An example of spaces here. I had each room of this hotel. I created a space for each room. If we look at our Spaces tab, which I have turned off, I want to show you how to turn that on. You're going to go to the black bar over here on your left panel, right click, go to Show, and come down here to Spaces, or Alt-S is the shortcut. Once we have that open, you can see in this panel I have all of these spaces created for each individual room. What that allows me to do is when I place markups in each of these rooms, like these for example, it's going to tell me what room it belongs in. So if we look at the markups list down here, I can sort my markups list and all of the data that I've collected by spaces by just simply clicking on the top of the spaces column. Here you can see now it's broken out by room. These are all the changes or the fixes that need to happen in room 1254 and so on. Thanks for hanging out. I hope you learned a few things you can apply to your work immediately to help organize important information in your markups.